Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's tutorial is gonna be on this another heatless hairstyle that you can rock at any event without having to damage your hair through excessive heat. And this hairstyle would work even if you have second or third day of washing your hair. So if you wanna know how I got this hairstyle, let's get started. So the things that you'll need for this hairstyle are a comb, some bobby pins and some hair elastics. So I'm first starting off by combing my hair and I'm dividing it into 3 sections. I'm tying off the hair behind my ear with an elastic band to keep them out of the way. Next, I'm dividing the front pieces into 2 sections and I'm creating a lace braid with them. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Once I've reached the end of my ear, I'll create a normal 2-strand braid and I'll pin it at the back of my head. Next, I'll release my hair out of the elastic band and I'll bring it forward. I'll divide them into 2 sections and I'll take a piece of hair from the back of the left section, cross it over to the opposite section and then cross it under, bringing it back to the left section. That is the original section where it came from. Let me show you one more time, this time from the right section. Take a piece of your hair from the back of the right section, cross it over to the opposite section and then bring it under that section, taking it back to its original section. I'll be doing this till I reach the end of my hair. It's almost like a fishtail braid but a little bit different. Once I've reached the end of my hair, I'll secure the braid with an elastic band and I'll gently pull on it to make it bigger. I've wrapped the elastic band with my hair to hide it. And here is the finished look. Super simple, quick and easy. It literally took me only 5 minutes to create it and I've decorated them with some jasmine flowers. If you want, you can totally skip this step. What I love about this hairstyle is that it looks absolutely grand without having me to use any heat styling. You don't have to prep your hair much. And it's monsoon season, which will result in frizzy hair. I don't know about you guys, but my hair gets super frizzy in this season and this hairstyle would even take care of that. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos several times a week, and if you're wondering about this makeup look, I'll leave a link below in the description box along with my socials. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.